OHSU is developing a new kind of COVID-19 test that uses saliva samples instead of that uncomfortable nose swab. While making these scientific strides, they also strengthen connections to the community. Elise Haas joins us live with more about this program. Elise, tell us what it's all about.
Ken, public health officials, state and local ones, have long shown us data that underscores how people of color have been disproportionately affected by COVID-19. There are a lot of factors that are involved, everything ranging from a lack of accessibility to healthcare and testing to sometimes some hesitancy towards medical professionals. And if we're all being honest here, nobody likes those COVID-19 nose swabs that are also known as the brain tickler. Unfortunately, it can scare people away from getting tested. So OHSU's initiative opened up free testing sites at schools and churches on the far east side of Portland. They offer this easy access to a more comfortable saliva testing option to these underserved people. These tests have helped detect and stop the spread of COVID among BIPOC communities, and leaders of the partnering nonprofit Self Enhancement Inc. say by making this part of their neighborhood's routine with familiar, friendly faces, people who ordinarily opted out of getting tested became much more likely to routinely come get checked for COVID.
All this is unknown, right? COVID is unknown, and it's scary, right? And so if part of the process is doing something that's painful, then I'm less likely to do it. So finding a way that was painless, quick, and easy was something that made sense for our population.
He went on to say that this pilot program has taught him and staff at OHSU that a great game plan going forward to improve accessibility to healthcare is finding places that are close to people, meeting them where they are, where they feel comfortable.
Through the partnership with Self Enhancement Inc. and the community, it really prompted us to think more broadly about what the community needed. And in the end, it helped us develop a test that's so much better than what's out there now.
And OHSU tells me that they are considering rolling out the saliva test more broadly at the request of Self Enhancement Inc. And OHSU says that it is easier, it is much less invasive. And through this study that they've been able to do with the neighborhood, they found that it is just as effective. Ken and Jenny.
All right, should be interesting. Thank you, Elise. You may have